Nikhil sir?
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Please start your presentation, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Nikhil Joshi. Thanks Ishre Chapter Ahmedabad for giving us opportunity to present regarding our Luby pumps products. First of all, I would like to show you our 3-minute corporate video that gives you the insight about the Luby groups. So I will share the video. It will take 3 minutes. Is it audible?
Not, sir. Yes, sir. Now audible.
निखिल भी તમારો લેપટોપનો વોલ્યુમ થોડુંક ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરવો પડશે.
We have more than 20 branch offices and over 2,000 network of distributors and dealers across India, North, Central, and South America, Europe, Middle East, North Africa, Central Africa, and Southeast Asia. We have partners for all imaginable use, right from domestic to industrial and agriculture to our flagship unit at Naroda Road, we run one of the largest submersible pumps manufacturing facility in India. At Kadatra, we have the country's best in-house and technically advanced foundry unit. We also have an integrated pumping solution unit to manufacture stainless steel and industrial pumps at Vatsar. At our electronics division, we provide value-added engineering solutions using industrial automation products. We have 7 manufacturing facilities sprawled across 3 lakh square meters with 2,500 steadfast employees. And we manufacture 7 lakh pumps per annum. At Vatsar, we have invested in a separate dedicated production division for stainless steel fabricated pumps. This unit is spread over a 1,50,000 square feet and produces 4-inch to 10-inch fully stainless steel bore well submersibles as well as vertical multi-stage pumps using advanced technologies and automated machinery for modern fabrication. At this facility, we also manufacture 5-star rating energy efficient pumps. We also have state-of-the-art large pump testing facility to test pumps up to 500 horsepower and 600 mm size. Adhering to our mantra, attainable and sustainable, we have invested in NABL accredited testing facility for energy efficiency testing of motors up to 250 horsepower in accordance with IEEE standards. It also has the capacity of manufacturing and testing of fire pumps to UL and FM standards. At Vatsar, we also manufacture sewage pumps, drainage pumps, end suction pumps, vertical inline pumps, and horizontal split case pumps which caters to industrial and CPS applications. Our records speak for itself. A success story is only the beginning of future of hope, attainment, and promise. To lead, to care, to innovate, to embrace technology, and to excel. This is what defines our reputation. We have the power and the responsibilities are endless. We believe we can deliver, and we are working towards achieving our mantra: attainable and sustainable.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Are we reaching presentation?
Yes, sir. Perfect, sir.
Okay. Thanks. It's our corporate video. It will give you the idea about what does the Luby Group manufacture and what kind of facility we have. So, as per today's our topic is our HVAC products, what we are offering as a Luby. So, I will give you a brief idea about our products and all that. Basically, there are in pumping we are giving the three kind of options in the HV applications. That is, the first is vertical inline pump, that is the shown over here, that we call as LVI LVS series. Then another is our end section pumps, that is LES LBS series, and the third one is our split case series. So these are the mainly three pumps, the three types of pumps, three range of pumps that are used in HVAC applications. So these are the three range we call as vertical inline, end sections and horizontal. अभी मेरे presentation में I will give you more brief about this range. What are the products, what are its features and all that. The first is what kind of application it in HVAC we can use anywhere, manufacturing plant, we can use in sports complex, educational institutes and hospitals. 1 minute. Yeah, now it's audible. Okay. Hospitals, apartments, etc., etc. As I talk about the first slide, the first range is the vertical inline pumps. That's a vertically manufactured pump. That's why it is called vertically inline. The suction and discharge both are inline. मतलब एक ही लाइन पे वो suction and discharge होता है. That's why it is called inline pump. उसकी फ्लो रेंज है 1800 मीटर क्यूब 1800 मीटर क्यूब पर आवर. हेड रेंज इज अप टू 150 meters and we can offer up to 250 kilowatts, that is approximately 335 HP. So in this vertical inline pumps there are two kinds of products. One is a closed couple. As per my previous slides in here, this is the first one is the closed couple. उसका coupling मतलब motor and pump part both are closely coupled. That's why it is called closed couple. And another is a long couple. The pump and motor are couple in long couple range. That's why it is called long couple. Closed couple pump are dynamically balanced bronze impellers we are giving, and it is a floor saving, gives the main advantage over here is the floor saving, means कि ये बहुत कम space use करता है. It require no foundation, मतलब उसके लिए आपको base plate वगैरह का requirements नहीं रहता है. Its impeller are dynamically balanced. Gauge, drains all are connected on the casing, मतलब all parts are connected, all the accessories है वो उसके ऊपर ही connected रहता है. Rigid volute casing with integrally casted and equal suction discharge flange size, मतलब कि it is a inline suction के लिए, inline discharge के लिए वो suitable है. The vanes near the pump sections provide efficient solutions, performance and quiet operations. इसका operation बहुत ही quiet रहता है. Vibrations are very less. That's why it is called quiet operations. It can coupled with TEFC motors, मैकेनिकल शाफ्ट सील इनसाइड के अंदर मैकेनिकल शाफ्ट रहता है. स्प्लिट कपल्स मतलब कि लॉन्ग कपल. पंप्स कैन बी यूज एज पर इंडस्ट्रियल फ्लैंज माउंटेड मोटर. उसके ऊपर वी कैन फिक्स इट द इसमें सील का अरेंजमेंट इन द लॉन्ग कपल और वी कैन से कि स्प्लिट कपल. देयर आर टू काइंड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट, इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल. सील अरेंजमेंट इज पॉसिबल. Axial split coupling allows the seal maintenance without disturbing the pump and motor. जो split coupling arrangement के अंदर, internal और external arrangement के अंदर, without any kind of disturbance, we can maintain the seal. It's a high performance external seal arrangement combines the advantage of multi spring balance seal with premium quality. Easy quick removal, मैंने कहा ना कि उस हिसाब से easily we can quickly remove the seal and we can replace the seal. That is we can do with the external seal arrangement. Internal seal arrangement is somewhat economical compared to that. This is with all things are external seal arrangement that is guarded with the well designed coupling guard. These are the all features with the vertical inline pump. Inline pump के अंदर two range, one is a closed couple and another is a split couple. The second range, first range is inline pump, the second range is end section cup. जो section होता है वो end से होता है and discharge is at 90 degree above that pump. That's why it is called end section pump. इसकी फ्लो रेंज है 3 मीटर क्यूब से लेके 1060 मीटर क्यूब पर आवर. इसकी हेड रेंज है 4 मीटर टू 158 मीटर एंड उसका जो एचपी पावर है दैट इज अप टू 132 किलोवाट, दैट इज 180 एचपी. वी कैन ऑफर दिस एंड सेक्शन पंप्स. Again, end section pump में के अंदर भी same similar two types of things are there. One is a closed coupled and another is a long couple. Both are bronze impeller we are offering with dynamically balanced impeller. उसके अंदर flange के दो options है. One is a 16 PN and another is a 25 PN. Coupled with TEFC motor and in the both cases back pull out design. Back pull out design means कि you can remove the motor for the maintenance part that is very easily. That's why it is called back pull out design. इन मैकेनिकल सील पंप का जो मेन पार्ट और जो मेंटेनेंस जिसको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत रहता है दैट इज मैकेनिकल सील. वी आर गिविंग द टू ऑफरिंग्स. वन इज SiC carbon and another is a ceramic carbon. The third range that is a horizontal split case pump. split case जो जैसे नाम है same way जो casing है that is splitted. That's why it can handle the larger volume. ये जो स्प्लिट केस पंप है वो लार्जर वॉल्यूम, लार्जर फ्लो को मैनेज कर पाता है बिकॉज उसका डिजाइन उस हिसाब से है. इट कैन मैनेज द फ्लो रेंज फ्रॉम 20 मीटर क्यूब टू 2700 मीटर क्यूब. हेड रेंज इज 4 मीटर क्यूब टू 160 मीटर एंड द सेम थिंग रेटिंग इज फ्रॉम 315 किलोवाट. So these are the all. It's a range. Mainly pump के अंदर three things are very important. It's a flow, it's head range and उसका rating मतलब मोटर का किलोवाट. These are the basic. I'm giving you the basic idea about the pump range. It's a dynamically impelled bronze impeller. उसके अंदर भी similarly we are giving two options, that is a PN16 and PN25 range. Coupled with TEFC motor, mechanical shaft seal, that is another. In this we are giving the both the option ceramic carbon and SiC carbon. supplied as a complete unit, मतलब कि motor and pump part on the base plate it is mounted, it is given as a complete pump set. That's why it is mentioned over here as a complete unit. Another important aspect or another important product range that is used in HVAC, that is a suction diffuser. Suction diffuser जो रहता है, that is a mainly used, not mainly, it is used in the suction side, and it is it solve the purpose of stainer as well as the elbow. That's why here all are the components mentioned over here. Its vane, its stainer arrangement, its body cover. So drain plug वो mention over here. यहाँ पे drawing के अंदर और एक line diagram के अंदर how it install, that is also mentioned. It is directly mounted on the suction side. It reduces the space and installation cost by replacing elbow and Y stainer in the suction side. There are 16 and 25 both PN ratings flange connection is options are available. It reduces the size of outlet flange. Supporting pad is required for convenient mounting. If required, then we can apply the supporting pads. Drain plug with inbuilt magnet to trap the metallic particles. While suction के side में जब भी magnetic particle, if suppose it comes, then there is a magnet to inbuilt magnet facility. This is the feature, it is given, so it cannot allow any metallic part to pump side, to enter into the pump side. Quick opening bolted body cover to minimize the downside time while cleaning the stainer. Stainer को clean करने के लिए it is quickly, it is design ऐसा है कि वो quickly you can change, you can easily remove the body cover and you can make the maintenance. Another thing, that is the triple duty valve, that is a discharge side. Two types are there. One यहाँ पे उसका bottom के अंदर we have given the line diagram, that is a over discharge side. These are the different components of the triple duty valve, how it works. This is a cross sectional diagram it's given. Sizes are from 2.5 inches to 12 inches. Spring, stainless steel, it's a cap, bonnet, inlet body, O-rings, gasket, it's a disc. All are the different cutouts of the triple duty valve. Mounted on the discharge sides of the pump. Reduce the space and installation cost by combining all function required on the discharge side. Triple duty valves जो है वो, why it is called triple duty valves? It is work as a three kind of operation it do, that's why it is called a triple duty valve. You can use as a NRV, you can use as a valve, and you can use as a elbow. That's the three things, three operations performed by the triple duty valve. That's why it is called a triple duty. उसकी तीन duty है, that's why it is called triple duty valve. CFD techniques use किया है इसको बनाने के लिए. What is a CFD? That is a computational fluid dynamics के हिसाब से इसको डिजाइन किया गया है. That's why it reduces the head loss. उसमें both options are available. One is inline options and another is a 90-degree configuration. जो पहले previous slide था उसके अंदर उसके दोनों configuration, both options are there. Similar way इसमें PN16 and PN25 options are there. Spring loaded disc ensure positive and leak free sealing. उसके drain plug at inlet and outlet दिए गए हैं. Supporting pads are also we have to give for the convenient mounting. ये normally inline pump के साथ में it is a fixed, so उसके साथ में उसका mounting we can give. This is the particularly entirely just like a hydropneumatic system. This is the HVAC system. So entirely we are offering this is as a solution. We can use as a plug and play. On the skid mounted entirely HVAC system, the suction header is there, discharge header is there, valves are given, controllers are given, and suction diffuser is a triple duty valve. Each and everything what I have explained earlier, all components we are applying on the entire one skid, and we can use as a single skid solution for the HVAC applications. Similarly, उसके अंदर mainly we are offering the best pump, that is a split couple vertical inline pump, that is a LVS series. उसका construction is a very simple inline pump है, उसका radial section and discharge port है. Inline construction होने से it is a easy pipe work is there. Piping इसका बहुत ही easy हो जाता है. Both the PN flanges options are there. उसके casings, end sections and discharge port are there. Gauge, flush, drain connections are given. Hydraulically tested 150% of the working pressure के ऊपर उसको hydraulically test किया गया है. Regarding its impeller, that's a bronze impeller as I mentioned earlier, it's grade of 6.3 ISO, and as per duty point के हिसाब से we have trimmed according to the duty points. उसका construction का एक cross sectional view है, how it the entire pump is there, motor, its adapter, then shaft, seal arrangement, seal housing, impeller, wearing, and shaft seal, o-ring, plugs, volute casing, each and everything has been mentioned. So this is the vertical inline pumps. Seal arrangement, मैंने कहा ऐसे earlier I have mentioned there are two type of internal and external seal arrangements are there. This is very important slide. This is regarding of space saving, how the vertical inline pump is space saving. ये जो टेबल है उसके अंदर we have taken the similar कैपेसिटी और मतलब कि सिमिलर फ्लो एंड हेड के रेटिंग्स के लिए अगर हम स्प्लिट केस के अंदर जाते हैं, दैट इज LHC, तो इट विल बी टेक अराउंड 9.15 फीट का स्पेस इट विल बी कंज्यूम. अगर हम एंड सेक्शन में जाते हैं सिमिलर यही ड्यूटी पॉइंट के लिए 2500 लीटर पर मिनट एंड 30 मीटर हेड के लिए, तो इट विल बी टेक अराउंड 7.21 फीट स्क्वायर फीट एरिया. अगर वर्टिकल पंप में जाते हैं सिमिलर मतलब सेम ड्यूटी पॉइंट्स के लिए 2500 लीटर पर मिनट एंड 30 मीटर हेड के लिए 25 HP का पंप है, देन इट विल बी टेक अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.98 फीट जितना ये स्पेस टेक केयर करेगा. तो मतलब कि जो वर्टिकल इनलाइन पंप है वो कंपेयर टू स्प्लिट केस 58% स्पेस सेविंग करेगा एंड कंपेयर टू एंड सेक्शन हॉरिजॉन्टल पंप एंड सेक्शन से वो 45% स्पेस सेविंग करेगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी अभी जो पंप रूम डिजाइन होते हैं और पंप का सिलेक्शन करते हैं तब इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक स्पेस सेविंग का मेन एडवांटेज है, अनदर thing is regarding its connection, another other advantage, उसके और क्या एडवांटेजेस है. यहाँ पे हमने तीनों मॉडल जो उसके कनेक्शन है रिगार्डिंग उसके पाइपिंग उसके लिए रिगार्डिंग डायग्राम्स दिए हैं. वर्टिकल इनलाइन पंप्स है तो उसको कोई फ्लेक्सिबल कनेक्टर्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है, फाउंडेशन ग्राउटिंग की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो जो उसका सेक्शन एंड डिलीवरी का पाइप है उसी के ऊपर वो माउंट होता है. सो इट विल बी रिड्यूस द पाइप पर. इनलाइन का कंस्ट्रक्शन इज वेरी इजी. सिमिलरली इट इज वेरी इजी टू क्विक इंस्टॉलेशंस एंड माउंट लाइक अ वाल्व, जबकि फ्लेक्सी कनेक्टर वगैरह एंड सेक्शन और स्प्लिट केस पंप के लिए वी हैव टू गिव. इसके मिसअलाइनमेंट होने के चांसेस बहुत ही कम है कंपेयर टू हॉरिजॉन्टल पंप्स। आपको डायग्राम से इट्स सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी कंपेयर टू इनलाइन पंप्स। हॉरिजॉन्टल पंप के माइट बी, दिस आर द कॉजेज, माइट बी, इट कैन हैपन। उसका सील लाइफ, बेयरिंग वगैरह का लाइफ वी कैन गेट लॉन्गर स्पान के लिए हमको मिलता है वर्टिकल इनलाइन पंप से। सील मेंटेनेंस भी विदाउट इसको इनलाइन कंस्ट्रक्शन को डिस्टर्ब किए बिना वी कैन इजीली, हम इसको मेंटेनेंस के लिए वी कैन डिसमेंटल, मतलब बहुत इजीली हम कर सकते हैं। रिगार्डिंग कंट्रोलर्स, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट thing in HVAC. We can give the according to the field demand, we have to control the pumps. That is a very important aspect. Enhance the control capability performance by optimize staging pumps as per the field demand. Field demand के हिसाब से stage optimize करने के लिए we can use the controllers. Multiple multi-zone controllers we can do through PLC based controllers. These are our installation photographs. As I says कि हम जो पूरा HVAC का skid what we have supplied, these are our good photographs mentioned over here. This is for primary, secondary and condenser pump. You can see our different how the other components, as I mentioned, the triple DT valves and all that are fixed over here. These are the horizontal pumps has been installed at one of the premium hotel. So compared to vertical pumps, the horizontal pumps takes more space. यहाँ पे वही parameters में या वही DT point पाने के लिए it is very easy and very compact installation हो जाता है skid wise पूरा. While in the horizontal pump it will take the longer span or it will take the more space, you can say. This is the regarding our all pumping aspects, all the pump range we have, and all regarding HVAC components and our detailed product range, applications, controllers, and the installation. Some of the good installation photographs I have covered. Hello.
Hello. Hi. Good evening, all. Thank you so much, Nikhil Bhai, for the wonderful presentation. I would like to also thank Luby Pumps, Mr. Anish Narayan, Mr. Yogesh Rasadia, and Mr. Nikhil Joshi as well for trusting Ishri Ahmedabad chapter. And this was the first product presentation of this year. And thanks to Luby for partnering with us.
Request all panelists, please turn on your video so that I can capture your screen sharing. Please. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nikhil bhai.
Thank you, sir.
Shailendra bhai, તમે mute પર છો.
Myself and Gaurang joined from on the way back from Surat. Nikhil bhai, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
We heard everything.
Oh, thank you, sir. Hope I have covered all the technical aspects.
Absolutely, sir. It was totally technical.
Right, sir. This is regarding all the pumping aspects and what range we have. That is the purely,
Right,
and
sir.
everything is manufactured at Ahmedabad only. Purely
Yes.
Indian, purely we can say make in Ahmedabad products.
That's great.
That was a great presentation, Nikhil bhai, and even the corporate video was amazing. I'm sure the trust that people have among towards Luby is definitely going to increase because of this. But thank you for everything, and I guess Rajendra bhai, we could
Close the
close the
session.
session now.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil sir.
Thank you.